snowcap amp here we've been working on. You can see the input tuning. It's got a variable cap on the input tuning standard. Push full circuit class C. What I did right now is I got the relay activated. So I just activated the relay, and the output, I've got cable running out. That cable runs around and comes back into the Anritsu S331D Site Master. Now with this, what I can do is generate into the input of the amp through the relay, back in, and tune the input circuit right here. We've got a real crude Wilkinson divider here. The cap's doing the tuning. So basically I can tune the amplifier with this. This unit is constantly generating in. And you can see anytime I touch anything on this amp, the tuning gets screwed up. Down here in the corner, I've got, right now I'm using, you can see that red line? That's one of my markers. This one over here is another marker. I can set my markers over here at the end. Run up to 4 different markers. Now, frequency spread I got put in is 30 megahertz at the top end, and at the bottom I have 25 megahertz. Now down here, these are the 2 markers I'm using right now. First one, let's say M1 is marker 1, and that's my SWR at the frequency that my marker's on. So this is marker 1 right here we're looking at, that blue one. So I'll adjust marker 1 right now. Oops, that's marker 2. Let me get my markers. There, marker 1. I'm on marker 2. Hold on. Okay, there's marker 2. See, it just turned red. So now, what I can do is move this marker up and down the screen. And what it's doing is it's sweeping across this frequency range from 25 megahertz to 30 megahertz, or whatever I want. And down here at the bottom you can see M2's highlighted. That's marker 2, that's the marker we're using. So now as I sweep down through the frequencies, you can see the VSWR changing. It's going up here. I don't know if you can see this well. Let me hold it still maybe. So that doesn't shake it. Okay, so now I'm just moving the marker up and down the frequency range. So at 27.209 megahertz, VSWR is 2. We go down to 26705, VSWR is 2.29. Again, this is just this marker sweeping across the screen. Now, that little yellow dip there is actually the input tuning. That's what we're looking at. The range on the scale is 2 and a 1. So that's right now, with that cap that's in there, that's as good as tuning as this amp is going to get. And if I move the marker over, let's move this red one over. I'll move it right over to where that dip is. So we've got another marker there right now. We'll see just how good it is. 1.96, 1.95, 1.94. 3. It's kind of hard to see on this camera. There we go, it's going down now. 1.9, 1.89. You can see it going down. You see the frequency changing too. So what I'm doing is sweeping through. I'm sweeping that. Sweeping the input is what I'm doing. Let's see. We're up to about. Yeah, it looks at about. The best tuning is somewhere, it gets pretty flat, in 28.5 megahertz. The VSWR, or SWR if you want to call it, is 182. And that's that curve right there. Right there. So, now what I've got to do, that's a little high for me. I'd like to bring the VSWR down to under 1.5, of course. So I've got to retune this amp and then check it out, just the input. So I'm going to pause the video and we'll be back later.